Hi everyone, my name is Kailash Sharma. I am going to show you the demo of File Manager tool. Let me give you a brief about this tool first. File Manager tool is an Excel based tool which helps you to delete or move unwanted files from your system. It requires a source and destination folder in case you want to move files. First, it lists all the files available in the folder or subfolders. Then you can select the action to be taken for each file, such as move or delete. With a click of button, the tool will make all the necessary actions. Let's have a look at the tool now. So here is the tool, and for the purpose of demo, we have some dummy files available, and we also have an empty folder. So we are going to open this tool now. So this is the tool. The first action which I will be taking is selecting the source folder. So I'll click on browse. Then I'll select my folder where all my files exist. I'll be selecting the base folder. If I want the tool to also include the subfolders inside the selected folder, I will also click on this, include subfolder. Now, just to read all the files available in this folder and the subfolders, I'll simply click on read files. You can see it has created the list of all the files along with certain details like name, path, date created, date modified. Now, there is an option which is given as action to be taken, where there are three options which are given: move, delete, or no action. So for example, these couple of files I want to move and couple of files I actually want to delete it based on the action I want to take. Now what I can do is, now for moving those files to different folder, it requires a destination folder. So I'm going to select the folder which I have already created as an empty folder. Now I will click on delete or move files. So you can see a confirmation on each record. It's saying success. That means the action has been performed. Just in case if it is not able to do a few actions, you will receive the notification along with the message of the error. Let's have a look at the folders now. You will see some files have been moved here as what we have selected, like this file attendance and this one 3.txt. You can see both the files, and the files which we selected as delete have actually been deleted from the system. That way you can use this tool, and once you are done, you can also clear the data. And that's all about this tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.